Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Mohd Asri bin Selamat. I am from SIRIM. My title presentation today is producing current collector using local carbon materials for light rail transit application. As we know, current collector have been used in light rail transit application. The function of this current collector to transfer current from electric power to the train. And current collector in local market are imported from overseas because conventional method to produce this current collector has certain limitation. Current carbon composite are thermally treated at high temperature, there's more than 2,500 degrees C, and poor affinity and lack of wetting effect between carbon and copper when we treated at this temperature, and it produce poor mechanical properties. As I mentioned before, there is no local manufacturer for this current collector. Malaysia still imported this current collector from abroad, and maintenance costs for replace the current collector every 6 months worth about 3 million per year. That's why, based on the experiences of LRT operator, there's a long delay in delivery of spare part and supplier from the supplier. Then when we produce this current collector locally, we can minimize downtime and also can lower down operation costs and able to control productivity. Every 6 months, this current collector need to be replaced. And what is it, from our SIRIM prototype current collector that will be produced, we managed to produce this using our powder metallurgy technique. There's a very an economic process, and also we are using our local material composition by using activated carbon from palm oil condenser. We also have benchmarking our product with the current collector have been used in commercial, and from the result, from the mechanical, physical, electrical, and wear properties, we find that our product is par and comparable to the commercial one. We also have performed this prototype current collector at rapid rail track at Subang Depot. This is the performance test that we have tested along 104 kilometers and managed to produce a good result for this product. And also we have done our market study of this current collector to know the global requirement and also the needed of this current collector in Malaysian industry rail. This is the main player of Malaysia rail industry between KTMB, Prasarana, Sabah State Railway, and also Malacca Monorail. Then, and we look for the global current collector. There's the need of this current collector increasing. For example, in 2022, about 46.12 million of USD are required to produce this current collector. At a business model, from this project of this technology, we can create a raw material supplier. Of course, the supply of equipment, and for the channel and the customer, we have our end user like KTMB, Prasarana Sdn Bhd. Then also from this technology, we can sell the current collector, or we can transfer this technology to interested company. For the milestone or a market study, we have the big plan for this Malaysian rail application. For example, in urban area like Kuala Lumpur, Sungai Buloh to Kajang, and then so Sungai Buloh to Putrajaya, the Malaysian rail transit application have another 150 kilometer to build for this LRT application. And also we have our project for high-speed rail from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore, and also East Coast mainline from, it takes about 600 kilometers to build. And with strategic cooperation, we already have a good collaboration with Rapid Rail when we tested our prototype sample at their place. In terms of intellectual property, we have already patented this process of producing current collector since 2011, and we have pending patent for a method for producing carbon copper using powder methodology in 215. I'm sure the tested that the prototype sample that we tested at a rail transit from Subang Depot to Putra High Thread. And when for this project, we can further this project with collaboration to make another 6-month performance test with Prasarana, and also we need independent third-party testing to ensure that our product at a par of better compared to the current collector manufacturer. That's why we need a funding for these activities. And for strategic collaboration, we are planned to work closely with potential technology caretaker, and also we plan to ensure that continuous supply for local carbon material like oil palm kernel shell to ensure that our material is enough to produce this product. Okay, that's it from me. I'm very glad to hear from you, and you can contact me at the email and phone number that appeared in this one. Thank you very much.